Ever wished you could save a command's output to a variable? Here's how. And the one mistake that breaks it every time. In Bash, capturing command output is called command substitution. Two syntaxes exist, the modern $parentheses form and the older backtick form. Both work, but $parentheses is strongly preferred. It reads more clearly, and it supports nesting. You can place one command substitution directly inside another without escaping anything. Backticks, by contrast, break down in that scenario. Now for the most common beginner mistake, spaces around the equals sign. Bash assignment is strict. No spaces before or after the equals sign, ever. Type result space equals space $parent date parent, and Bash reads result as a command name and throws an error. Remove those spaces and variable assignment works exactly as expected. Here are two real examples. The first stores today's date. The second counts how many files are in the current directory. In both cases, notice no spaces around the equal sign. And when you print these variables with echo, double quote them. This prevents issues if the output contains spaces or special characters. Use $parentheses to capture command output, never put spaces around equals, and always quote your variables. Follow for more Linux interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.